Hi, this is Param. Okay, in this video we will see what are the APIs. As I said, okay, transformation can be created either using Kibana itself, okay, or API itself, right? Okay, so in this videos we will see what kind of APIs are there. That means RESTful APIs are there, okay, so that you can use to work with your transformations, either create, stop, start, delete, or statistics, okay, whatever you want, okay, or anything about, okay. So whatever anything is okay, or anything if you want to know about the statistics, something about the transformations, okay, there is API is provided, okay. So as I said, though Kibana UI provided interface to work with the transformation, that is limitation, or it is good for start for defining your transformations, okay, or how you can do the transformations, okay, that is what. But we have to prefer, okay, we have to prefer, I am not saying we have to do, we have to prefer the API based API to work with the transformation, so that it is very easy to migrate one cluster to another index, and we will have more control, okay. Even as I said earlier, okay, Kibana UI does not have all the configuration options, okay. So if you want to have more configuration control, so we have to go with the APIs, okay. So so as a high levels, I have classified in such a way that, okay, this is what transformations, okay, all the transformation namespace start with underscore namespace, okay, underscore namespace, okay. So we can create, okay, so using put method, okay, and the transformation ID, just the name of the transformation ID, it can be any names, okay, like index name. And of course if it is create, there will be delete, okay. So again the same API path, but only the method has a delete method, okay, here has a delete method, okay. If you want to get the configuration how it is defined, okay, how it is transformation defined, you can use the same API with the get method, okay. But if you want to know the statistics, what is happened, how the memory consumption, everything, okay, if you want to understand, then you can go for statistics method, okay. And of course once we defined, it is not started, right? So once we created, it does not mean it is started, okay, we have to manually start, okay. Okay, we have to manually start. So using the post method we can start. Similarly, once it is done, let's say if it is batch method, it will stop automatically once that is done, okay. If it is continuous method, it will keep on running, right? Say if sometimes if you feel like, hey, I don't want that, I tried some POC kind of stuff, that's fine, okay, I don't need to stop something, I don't need to continuously run, or it is occupying more resources, so that is one of the another reason you want to stop your transformations, okay. It could be the reason, okay. So in that case you can use the stop methods, okay. So this is how you can start, stop, okay, and reset the transformations, okay, and update, okay. So in fact I didn't try these two options, but okay, but they said update is there, reset is there, okay. And of course preview, okay, this is the it's preview means it's equivalent to the try in the Kibana UI, right? The Kibana UI, what we will try with the minimum set of data and see how data is there, right? So similarly the similar stuff is the preview APIs, okay. So what happens, so it ignore the of course it ignore the destination index, since preview does not store any information, right? It does not save anything in the destination index. So though you have configured it, it just simply ignore the destination index, okay. So these are the APIs are available to work with transformation in the Elastic Stack. So obviously create, delete, get configuration, get statistics, okay, and of course here start, stop, and the previews, okay. These are the stuff. Say when you start your real project, okay, first you will start with your preview. Once you understand everything, then you will go for create, okay. So once you feel it's everything fine, then you will do start, okay. Okay, so once that is your transformation done, you can stop. But still if you feel like I don't want this transformation at all, okay, you can delete. So note that if you delete your transformation, does not mean it is going to delete your destination index. Still destination index, it has to be deleted manually or separately. What is the reason? Let's say using the destination index, you might have developed any ML job or a dashboard or anything, right? So that could be one of the reasons, okay. So deleting an index, whenever deleting a particular transformation, is not a big deal for the ElasticSearch team to implement, right? So still why they are leaving the destination index means when deleting the transformation job itself or transformation task itself, that destination index may be used for something else, as it may be used for some other dashboard or some any watch or something like that. Okay, so that's why whenever you delete the transformation, it does not mean it going to delete the actual destination index as well. It will leave the destination index as it is. Okay. Okay, so that's what these are the RESTful APIs are there to work with the transformation in Elasticsearch. Thank you. Thanks for watching.